we doing?
Gatorade.
We might need that measurement too.
Let's go. What are we doing?
I brought some Gatorade. We're gonna drink it. Just kidding. We are putting some D2 Loring Springs on my shitty Civic.
Shitty?
On my shitty base Civic.
No, not after
right
today.
here. Probably not gonna be able to get down the driveway. That's
No.
I'll be okay.
Do you want to work on the? Do you want to work down there instead? Asphalt's hot though.
yeah, that's not. But she got the.
Or it's gonna make it even more cozy.
That's if you want. I usually just work in the garage.
Yeah, but usually you don't do this. Unless you plan on lowering the Z, then.
Yeah, later. I think my
let's-
suspension might be broken too.
Oh.
For real?
But I don't know. I'm
safety
I'm gonna go get it checked soon. It's just the front passenger side.
She's fine.
I hope. Shit.
One day.
A drill?
Yeah.
No.
What? I asked you what you needed. I have literally.
I
like,
told you. I said I don't have any power tools.
I asked you. Do you want me to bring
back to
anything
Anthony's.
else?
I said bring.
You told me just bring the stands.
You want to go grab your drills?
It's
then?
okay. We'll power it.
We'll hand power it.
Yeah.
It's not that bad.
It's not, but it's like.
Hey, I thought your car was broken.
No, it's half broken. It's like Santi's. It's sketch. Max, give us as much insurance as possible. Oh, I think we're at max. What?
Really? Oh shit. Oh
Did the jack stands even fit under?
Should.
It looked like a lifted
No.
4Runner.
Oh, okay, hold up. We do it again. If not, we just have to put a brick under it first to give it some more room. I should move, dog.
Bro.
Okay. Can it fit now? Come back.
Yeah, it fits.
It fits?
It fits.
Alright.
Can't believe you.
I just want to make sure if it's on right.
Now.
Okay.
Damn.
I'm just taking a photo.
Shit, fat.
Alright. Good? I'll see what the thing is.
Alright, guys. New mod. Big ass gap.
But it's just not even focused. There we go.
So
All right, we're
dark.
done, guys.
Yeah.
That's all we wanted to do.
Woo!
All right, let's go. Damn, that shit. No.
Huh?
This one's kind of bent.
Let me see.
It looks kind of bent. Like looking at it straight.
Like that? No, it's good.
Oh shit, my bad. I just can't see straight.
Oh yeah, no.
You know,
We not.
and
It's
everything.
Pride Month. It's Pride Month.
We ain't straight here.
We straight up homo. Alright. Good?
This is like a Tesla. This is like Tesla SUV.
Did it go back on the ground? Oh my god, are you serious? Yikes. Okay, we need to lift it with a brick.
The suspension's fucked. It's not our fault.
We have no room, because once we lower it... Oh, actually... I think we'll be fine.
You sure?
Yeah, because when we lower it... The wheel's going to be raised.
That's true.
Is it... Wait, can...
If anything, we should just work on this wheel first.
Sure.
Because anyways, we need the jack to lift up the hole.
Yeah. Okay. What size is it?
Body of Christ.
Did imagine?
Do you have wheel locks, Jada?
Yeah, she does.
What?
Where's your little...
Where's your key? Oh no.
Oh no, they didn't put it in her car. Jada, let's go back to your house.
Oh.
Gotta go grab it.
No!
I just saw the handle.
Dude, just put the key on the back of the trunk. There's no way she's strapped. So I think.
Would mine work?
Do you hear that? Filipinos.
Hey guys, it's Kyle. Just kidding. How does this work? Oh yeah, get into it.
Get into it. Get into it. Yeah.
You see how long that bolt is?
What?
You see how long that bolt is?
Which one?
The 17, the one that we have to take out. You see how we have to do it by hand?
Because Kyle said, yeah, I have tools. It's okay. It's okay, Kyle. Focus. Oh, sorry.
Konnichiwa.
Oni-chan.
Little.
Guys, we're putting in the first spring. That took us like maybe like 2 hours. 2
It's gonna
hours.
take us more.
Because we didn't have power tools.
Wow.
How does this camera work?
will not go in the hole.
What are you talking?
Okay, stop it. Yeah.
I thought you saw the box of tools right there.
No, we didn't.
I even said, we got this box of tools right here before Jada pulled up. I fucking told you about it.
No, I just looked in the toolbox. You know, most people just keep shit in the toolbox.
Wait, that's the wrong way. Fuck. So this whole time, y'all have actually just been using your hands.
Yes.
Oh my god, I am so sorry.
Oh my god. Oh my god, this car's about to be sick.
Alright, we gotta put on the front ones. We'll talk to you guys when we put the thing back on. It's 3:21. You got time?
It took us 3 hours to do the 2 rears. Actually, and then I think the front has more work to be done before you actually take it.
We can next Sunday.
You want to just do it next?
What day is next Sunday?
No, I can't do Sunday.
Monday?
Do I work on Monday?
Monday, Wednesday. Sunday, Monday, Wednesday is when I'm free.
Definitely Wednesday. We'll do it at the same time.
Jada?
Wednesday? Next Wednesday?
Do you work Wednesdays?
I don't work Wednesdays.
I work next Wednesday, but I start at 3. So we can start earlier, start at 10.
That's fine with me.
That's cool with me.
Alright, cool.
Next Wednesday?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want.
So pause for now.